What we got going on?
No information given.
What's up everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm acting happy, but I'm actually just getting over the biggest stress. So last night I spent ages trying to get the render right of the Tiger Temple, and that whole video is a big long video. I'll link it up there somewhere. That video took me ages, and then once I got it all done, for some reason my Wi-Fi was just painfully slow. I left it overnight. I thought, yeah, by the morning. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. The video's uploaded, great. But I'm getting emails from YouTube. Your video has been claimed by copyright. Hi Adventure Together, a copyright owner using copyright content ID claimed some of your material in your video. Now that's my fault. That's my fault, because I went to a free website, or a website that claims to be free. You know, you go and watch a couple of videos, and in return you get to use one of the tracks for free. But this website was not a legit website. Yeah, the website's not a legit website. It's they're selling other people's music and claiming it's their own. So that's my fault. I didn't check it out. I used a dodgy website. But what that meant for me was I had to go back into my editor, go back through the videos, take out the music, resync it with a new track, and actually it was a blessing in disguise, because that track was a much better track and it suited the video much more than the track I was originally using. So yeah, but it was a pain in the ass. Imagine trying to get this video sorted for almost a day, and then, you know, almost 24 hours after you started, you're there again re-editing. And finally got it up, everything was cool, but it was a day later than I wanted to publish it, so sorry I didn't get it to you sooner. Let's get rid of that, don't need that.
I'm just going to throw it here because it's easier. I can just drop it off and pick it up in this.
So Zach, Felix and I, again, are going to get our laundry done.
Laundry on you.
Laundry
Fucking
on.
washing it up.
Can't be crusty, but.
I've never even heard that shit. Cheers, mate.
Crusty ass, you never had that?
I didn't even know what it is.
We're not doing good laundry.
Just made different clothes, mate.
Alright, we're good.
Sweet, let's get on the road.
Alright.
Let's go. First stop was laundry, second stop is getting some cash out. And macro again. Nom nom. I couldn't get what I needed, so we're back to Tesco's where we've been already to cash out. Go back at Tesco's now. I was looking for sweet potatoes, but all they have is normal, so I don't know. I'll pick the yellow ones. I'm not sure what the difference is. I got you granola.
Oh, I just got some.
Oh, fuck.
I can have extra, yeah.
Now you got
Good.
two lots.
Sweet, yeah.
You've got a little 21 litre bag that's the TARDIS. Look at that.
It's a size.
Tiny little bag.
Force-free tabs.
Yeah, every single little space you're gonna take up, man.
No, that's
Someone come stacking in the grocery business.
And look at that. That is a hoard. And it came out of that. Now it's time to teach Zach how to use the beast.
Got it out and fence it.
It's already neutral.
So unless it's steering lock, so when it's right here, you put the key in and turn it all the way to the left, it'll be steering. Right here, you put the key in. So the position's not steering locked. If you pull it all the way to the left, that's steering locked.
Okay.
Yeah, so then
Make sure you have your mask on.
20,000 bot fine otherwise.
Ah!
And you know how to start it, right?
Just press this button.
Hold the back brake and then press it. Yeah, so unlike a car, it's wise to hold the controller at the same time so you can control your speed.
They grow up so fast. How'd that feel?
I'm just getting used to brakes.
Yeah, you know, the brakes on this bike are kind of shit, and the bike's balance isn't as good as some others I've ridden, but other than that, it's fine. Yeah, if you throw the kick down, it'll automatically cut the engine. So when you're done riding it, just kick it down and lean it, and then just give it. So you have to pull the steering all the way to the left, and then turn the key all the way to the left as well. Then it'll...
Anything else? Should be good.
No, I think that's it.
I'll be going
Yeah.
slow as fuck for a while, but...
I mean, if you're going straight, it's just you're going straight, you know, like just go as fast or as slow as you're comfortable. Also, speed limit's own thing, I guess, but
Yeah. That's all good. What time is it? Needs alcohol.
I don't know.
4:50.
It's about time.
Learning to drive so you can go and get alcohol.
Get your priorities and all that.
No, it's Saturday night, yo.
Saturday night in quarantine.
Drive.
I didn't finish putting that on my story. Hold on.
Beer run.
Shit, it's got another fucking motor behind it.
The reason Zach had to be taught how to use the moped is because he's been riding dirt bikes, but he hasn't ridden dirt bikes for a long time. So he wanted to just have a refresher before he got out on the road. Plus, because he's from the States, he's been driving on the right-hand side of the road and not the left-hand side like they drive in Thailand. So he just needed a little bit of a refresher up and down the road before he went. And the reason that he's going out again after we've already been to the shops, we've been to Macro, we've been to Tesco twice today. The reason that he had to go out again was they don't sell alcohol until after 5 o'clock. So because of that, he had to wait until it was about 5 o'clock and then get out on the moped and go and get his vodka. He'll be back soon.
That's not damn touchy wood. Just getting it. Yeah, I'd much rather just push it in.
You want to ride it up?
No, I'm touchy. Too touchy so far.
Well, no, if you hold the brake and the throttle at the same time, it's okay.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I tried to tell you, but you rode off.
Oh,
Unlike a car,
it's
you
cool.
just
I was
hold the
like,
brake
oh,
and
fuck,
the
dude.
throttle at the
I'm
same
really touching on curves.
time.
Yeah,
brake
I
it.
went, and then I got my drink. Now I'm back.
Press your drink on.
Now I'm back.
What are you doing with the vodka, bro?
I don't know.
Moscow Mule?
Moscow Mules, yeah.
What we got going on?
We're just doing
Z is making some cocktails.
yeah, just making some simple cocktails. Instead of ginger beer, just using some ginger ale, muddling up some limes, trying to fill the ice trays and keeping those good to go because everybody knows that a Moscow Mule needs to be cold as shit. And we don't have copper.
Bartender Zach.
Yeah, no muddle. So we use the bear claws.
Mixmaster Bear. That's better than Mixmaster.
Mixmaster bear. That works. 1.5 ounces. I like to pour 2.
What a generous fellow.
Yeah, gotta get her cold. Super cold. Gotta get some ginger ale.
The entire fridge.
We always keep those limes. Just because it makes you look cool. And never shake a carbonated drink. Just give it a short little toss.
How would you shake that anyway? Cover it and shake it.
Put it in
if you covered it and shake, yeah, it would make it super flat.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, man.
Fresh.
Super tasty.
That's